Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So as you can see in background, I have a list of movies because in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer this list, itemized list on Excel. So technically this is I think top 250 movies. So I'm not gonna manually type it one by one and it will take time. For example, I think it will take around 2 hours or so typing all 250 movies right here. So I have a way for you because if you copy everything here, for example, up to let's just say up to 62, and you paste it right here, it will not look perfect, it won't look good, it's actually bad to be honest. So I'm gonna teach you a very quick way to do this, okay? So the first thing you want to do is of course open Excel and open any browser you have. For example, you want to use or you want to get this data scrape on this specific IMDb top 250 movies. So go back to Excel and then click on home. Make sure this is the landing page, right? Make sure you click on data right there and choose from web. Now it will take a minute or two to load, and from web will ask two options. The advanced option, we'll tackle this in the next videos, upcoming videos. Let's just trial first for the basic one. It's just asking for the URL, so basically let's just get this one, copy this. You see what I did there? I just click on Control X to make sure I copy this. You can also click on Control C. It's really up to you, and then click on OK. Now it will load for I think a minute or two, and then accept voice contact, click on connect, waiting for it to connect. So it will around take a minute or two while loading, and then it will prompt you two options. It will ask for a table list or a documented list, and actually I suggest always go for the table to make it look more professional looking. So it's connecting right now. Please wait while you establish connection. And then this is what I'm talking about earlier. It's going to ask for display options, rather document or a tablized option. So give it a few minutes to load. It's actually loading right now. It's taking actually quite a time. So let's just wait for it. And with this one, simply choose OK or transform data. And that's how you transfer list or data from the web to your Excel, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.